Hello students, today we are going to learn about chapter number 4, altitudes and medians of a triangle. Let's learn median. Median, the segment joining the vertex and midpoint of the opposite side is called a median of the triangle. In triangle SCF, segment FD is a median on the base CH. Draw triangle ABC. Find the midpoint P of side AB. Draw perpendicular line to segment AB, and then we get midpoint of segment AB. This is the perpendicular line. Point, join the point and draw perpendicular line to AB. Draw arrow. This is the midpoint P. Draw segment CP. Segment CP is the first median of triangle ABC. Now find the midpoint Q of side BC. Draw arc. There is point, we join it. This is the perpendicular line. Draw this perpendicular line to BC and name the point Q. Q is the midpoint of BC. Draw segment AQ. Segment AQ is the second median of triangle ABC. Find the midpoint R of side AC. Draw a perpendicular line to AC. This is a perpendicular line and the midpoint is R. This is the first midpoint of segment AB. This is the second midpoint of segment BC. This is the third midpoint R of segment AC. Now draw segment BR. Segment BR is the third median of triangle ABC. Note that the medians are concurrent. Their point of concurrence is called the centroid. It is denoted by G. This is the centroid and this is denoted by G. Segment PC, segment QA and segment BR are the medians of triangle ABC. Here we got the medians of these triangles are concurrent. The point of concurrence is called the centroid. Here it is denoted by the letter G. Note that for all types of the triangle, the location of G is in the interior of the triangle. Do the following activity number 4. Draw 3 different triangles, a right angle triangle, an obtuse angle triangle, and an acute angle triangle. Draw the medians of the triangles. Note that the centroid of each of them is in the interior of the triangle. Thank you, students.